Hi, today we will know how to use printf statement in C programming language. Basically, we use printf statement to print some text or, or to print some values on output screen. Okay, I will show how to write a program using printf statement, and we will discuss basic data types to print on output screen. I am using code block IDE. I am creating new project and choosing console application and clicking on go, selecting C, project title print, finish. Here project created here, and expand this source, and main.c file has created here. Here printf statement, basic printf statement. Here what happened in this program, just hello world will be printed on output screen. Okay, I am changing this one. This is my first program. Save this one. Okay, compile current file, compiling, no error, and build this one, build and run. What happened here, this is my first program. Whatever the text you given in this double quote, that will be printed on output screen. In this way we use printf statement to print some text. For example, if I want to print some values on output screen. Actually, in C programming language we have powerful data types. Basic data types are integer, which is represented by int. The number which does not have decimal point are integer numbers, integers. In C program we use one word, that word is called int, to represent integer values in C programming language. And next, float, fraction numbers, decimal numbers, which is represented by a word, that word is called float. And characters will be represented by char. These are basic data types in C program. Later classes we will discuss some further classification in these basic data types. Okay, actually just now we discussed int, float, char. These all words we call keywords. Keyword means which was already defined in C programming language, that represents some meaning to our program. Basically we have 32 keywords in C programming language. Okay, I will show in traditional C compiler. I will show how to see. Int, click on help, topic search. Okay, integer data type, variable of the text, variable of type int or one word in the length. This is called keyword. Keyword represents some particular meaning to C programming language. Okay, if you want to print integer variable on output screen, use one special character. That character is %d. And if you want to print Float variables we use percentage f. If you want to print single character we use percentage c, and if you want to print more than one character means that we called string. If you want to print character string we use percentage s. Let me discuss how to print all these data types using C programming language. Okay. First we have to define variable. I am defining int. It represents, you are defining integer variable. Okay. I am naming that variable as a, and I am assigning one value to that variable a, and next I am going to print that value on output screen. A value is, this is where we have to give percentage d. If other than this format we given, that won't print percentage d. After double quotes we have to put comma, and what variable you want to print, that value you have to give, and save the project. And next bolt and run. What happened? One error came. Okay, a value is 5. You observe here I am defining one more variable here. B value is 10. I am changing here integer values are, I am going to print two variables, percentage d and percentage d. First percentage d represent a and second percentage d represent b. You observe the output. First variable here percentage d, this percentage d represented by a, and this percentage d will be represented by b. Okay, this is very important one. And next, now I am going to show how to use float in the programming language. Float keyword, and I am defined a equal to 5.6, b equal to 3.5. If you want to print decimal, if you want to print decimal numbers, fractional numbers, in C programming language we use special character percentage f, and I am representing printf. Values are percentage f and percentage f, comma, first percentage f will be represented by a and second percentage will be represented by b. Okay, I am building and compiling. Okay, here values displayed, values are 5.6 and zeros also came, and b value came, and I'm changing small, I'm changing percentage f to percentage point to f, and build and run. Okay, you observe here output will be like this only. I represented first one with percentage to percentage dot to f. That's why it printed only two numbers after decimal point. In second percentage f, I didn't represent anything, that's why it printed default numbers. This is a very important one. And I am defining, now I am defining character type, data type, character type. For that we use char. Char is a keyword, and I am representing variable name as a. For single character we must use single quotes, and I am changing printf a value is. For single character we use percentage %c. Okay, I am saving my project and click on build and run. Okay, a value is yes. If you want to print character, single character, we have to use %c. And if you want to print string, this is representation of array in C programming language. In later classes we will discuss. And I am giving Vijay. If you want to print string, we have to use %s. And here we have to represent variable name and save the project and click on build and run. Okay, what happened here? Error came. Actually, for representation of string we have to use double quotes. For representation of single character we have to use single quotes. For representation of string we have to use double quotes. Now save the project and click on build and run. Okay, compilation completed, output came. Here a value is like that, it came. Just I am changing. My name is, okay, save this one, click on build and run. Okay, my name is Vijay. This is where we use printf statement to print text and to print basic data types in C programming language. Okay, thank you for watching video and practice more. Okay, thank you.